Looking for the best 32-inch smart TV but confused between many options? In this video, I've shortlisted the top 5 best 32-inch TVs that deliver the best value for picture quality, sound performance, smart features, and overall reliability. From budget-friendly options to QLED technology, well, compare everything clearly so you can choose the right TV for your needs. No technical confusion, no unnecessary hype, just simple comparison and honest guidance. So watch till the end because your perfect TV might be number 1 on this list. Let's get started. So let's start with a value focused option. This TV is ideal for buyers who want smart features without stretching their budget. It comes with a 32-inch HD ready display. At this screen size, the resolution feels perfectly adequate. You get decent sharpness, text looks clean, and daily viewing feels comfortable. It supports HDR and HLG, which helps improve contrast performance. Bright scenes look slightly more dynamic. Dark scenes retain usable detail. Xiaomi also includes its Vivid Picture Engine. This technology enhances colors balance and contrast in real time. The 60Hz refresh rate keeps motion smooth for regular shows and movies. Now let's talk about audio. You get 20-watt speaker output with Dolby Audio and DTS support. Dialogue sounds clear and overall sound feels fuller than most entry-level TVs. On the smart side, it runs in the Fire TV platform. You get access to major streaming apps and Alexa voice remote is included. Switching between live TV and OTT apps is quick and seamless. In terms of connectivity, you get 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, Bluetooth and built-in Wi-Fi. Overall, this TV is best for budget-focused buyers, small bedrooms, casual OTT streaming, first-time smart TV users. If affordability and smart convenience matter most to you, this is a practical and sensible choice. Now let's move to a more balanced option from a globally trusted brand. The Philips 6100 series comes with HDR ready resolution and a stable 60Hz refresh rate. Picture quality feels consistent and comfortable for everyday viewing. It supports HDR10 and HLG, which slightly enhance brightness and contrast. Bright scenes look a bit more dynamic, dark scenes retain decent detail. The display covers 68% NTSC color gamut, producing natural and realistic colors. Skin tones look accurate, colors don't feel oversaturated. The frameless design adds a modern look and improves immersion. Now let's talk about audio. This TV delivers 24-watt speaker output, which is powerful for a 32-inch model. With Dolby Audio support, dialogues stay clear and sound feels deeper and fuller. On the smart side, it runs on Google TV. The interface is smooth and user-friendly. You get built-in Chromecast for easy screen mirroring and Google Assistant for voice control. Performance is supported by 1.5GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. That's sufficient for daily streaming and app usage. In terms of connectivity, you get 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and satellite input support. So overall, this TV is best for families looking for reliable brand value, user who prioritize stronger sound, living rooms with moderate viewing distance, buyer who want a simple Google TV experience. If you want balance, not just the lowest price and not just flashy specs, this is a safe and practical choice. Link in the description, you can check it out. If picture quality is your top priority, this model clearly stand out. Unlike most 32-inch TVs, it offers full HD resolution. That means sharper visuals, better text clarity, and more detailed streaming content. But the real highlight is the QLED panel. QLED technology delivers higher brightness, richer colors, and improved color volume. With 100% color volume plus, colors stay vibrant even at high brightness level. It also supports HDR10 along with micro dimming technology. This improves contrast depth and makes dark and bright scenes look more balanced. The 178-degree wide viewing angle ensures consistent picture quality even when viewed from the sides. Now let's talk about audio. You get 24-watt speaker output with Dolby Audio support. Sound is strong and clear for a TV in this category. On the smart side, it runs on Google TV. You get built-in Google Assistant, access to major streaming apps, and smooth navigation overall. In terms of performance, it features a 64-bit quad-core processor, 1GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. That's sufficient for smooth everyday streaming and app usage. For connectivity, you get 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB port, lens support, digital audio out, and a headphone jack. Overall, this TV is best for user who prioritize picture quality, OTT binge watchers, buyer who want QLED under budget, and people sitting closer to the screen. If your main focus is visual performance, this is the most feature-rich and premium option in this size segment. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. Now, if your brand trust and consistent picture quality are your top priorities, this Samsung model is a very dependable option. It features a 32-inch HD display. The resolution is standard for this size, but the real strength comes from Samsung's Hyper Real Picture Engine. This processor automatically enhances color accuracy, contrast, and sharpness. Image looks cleaner, colors feel natural, and visuals appear more refined. With per color technology, colors stay balanced, not overly bright, not washed out. It also supports HDR and HDR10 Plus along with contrast enhancer and micro dimming pro. This technology improves depth, bright area ideas looks clearer and action scenes better detail. Now let's talk about audio. You get 20-watt speaker output. It includes features like object tracking sound light, adaptive sound optimization and Q Symphony compatibility. Dialogues adjust automatically based on what you are watching. On the smart side, you get a smart remote with voice assistant. Samsung TV Plus gives access to free live channels without subscription. You also get screen mirroring, Apple AirPlay support, and easy smartphone connectivity. In terms of connectivity, you get two HDMI ports including ERC, a USB port, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 5, and LAN support. Overall, if reliability and refined picture processing matter more than flashy specs, this is one of the safest choices in this price range. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. If you want a smarter picture optimization and a smoother smart TV experience, this LG model stands on the top. It comes with a 32-inch HD ready display and a 60Hz refresh rate for comfortable daily viewing. The real highlight here is LG's Alpha 5 Gen 6 AI processor. This processor analyzes content scene by scene. It improves clarity, reduces noise, and balances color automatically. The result looks cleaner and more natural, especially while streaming OTT content. With HDR10 and dynamic tone mapping, brightness stays controlled and shadow details remain visible. The 178-degree wide viewing angle ensures consistent colors even when viewed from the side. Now let's talk about audio. You get 10-watt speaker output with AI sound processing. Virtual Surround 5.1 upmix creates a wider sound experience. Bluetooth Surround Ready support allows you to connect external speakers wirelessly. On the smart side, it runs on LG's webOS. Navigation feels smooth, apps load quickly, and the interface is clean and simple. Popular streaming apps come pre-installed. You also get a screen share, a built-in web browser, and game optimizer mode. Magic Remote support is available as an optional purchase. In terms of connectivity, you get two HDMI port, one USB port, and Bluetooth support. So, if you want intelligent picture enhancement combined with LG's reliable software experience, this becomes a premium choice in the 32-inch category. So, these were the best 32-inch smart TVs you can consider this year. Pick the one that fits your space, your usage, and your budget. Links are in the description. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you.